This is N. Venkat Kishore, Department of Mechanical Engineering, DBH Institute of Technology, Kavali.
Hi students, today we are discussing the problems on the gates. As we already know the details of length of contact, length of arc of contact, length of path of contact, next teeths of number of pairs of teeth, and different types of teeth, that is involute, cycloidal teeth. Then based on most of the problems we will ask in the model of pairs of teeth and length of arc of contact and length of path of contact and addendum, dedendums, like that they will ask these questions. So try to solve these problems. These are very simple. Okay, try to remember the formulas, list out the formulas in the unit wise. Okay, based on that you just remember and formulate the formula in the solving the questions also. Then here it is let us take it as one problem. The number of teeth on each pairs of 2 equal spur gates in the mesh are 40 and the teeth having a 20 degrees involute profile. Here the teeth is involute teeth. Okay, then the module is 6 mm if the arc of contact is 1.75 times the circular pitch, and find the addendum. As we know the formula for arc of contact, and then what are the teeths we know, then simply finding the addendum. Then given that, write down the given values. Okay, the number of teeth capital T is equals to 40 and the involute angle pi we know 20 degrees and the module m is equals to 6 mm. In the previous topic itself we finding the length of arc of contact as circular pitch into number of pairs of contact, that is simply the number of pairs of contact is equals to length of arc of contact by circular pitch. Okay, it is a cross multiplying. So the length of arc of contact in the problem itself they have given that is 1.75 times of a circular pitch. We know the circular pitch. The pitch formula is PC is equals to pi into module, that is equals to pi into module has given that it is a 6, so we have to 6 and the finally PC is equals to 18.5. Then arc of contact is equals to 1.75 into PC, we get it 33. Then what about the length of path of contact? The path of contact is length of arc of contact into cos pi. We know the pi value, that is involute teeth angle, that is 31 mm. Then what is the remaining terminology we need to find out here? Addendum. Then addendum is nothing but based on the arc of contact and arc of path we have to find it out. What is the formula for arc of contact and path of contact? That is, we know path of contact as square root of RA square minus R square cos square pi plus square root of RA square minus R square cos square pi minus R plus R sin pi. By substituting, we know here we need not to find out the length of path of contact. We know the value of length of path of contact from here, that is 31. So by substituting these we get it the RA, that is radius of the addendum circle. Then this is called the addendum of the wheel, that is capital RA minus R is equals to, this is a formula for finding, that is 6.12 mm. This is one more example. The pinion having 30 teeth drives a gear having 80 teeth and the profile of the gears is involute with 20 degrees pressure angle. 12 is the module and 10 is the addendum. Find the length of path of contact and arc of contact. In the previous problem we find the we found the addendum from path of contact and arc of contact. From here, using the addendum, finding the path of contact and arc. This is one more model, but here beyond this, finding the addendum and path of contact, arc of contact, we have to find extra, that is velocity of sliding also, and the angle turned through by the pinion when one pair of teeth is in mesh. This is some extra content we need to solve, but basically you just remember, for every problem, finding of the length of path of contact and length of arc of contact and addendums, then modules, they will give it. Okay, based on these three terminology only, the problems will comes to you. Then here it is a two involute gates of 20 degrees pressure angle. The number of teeth on pinion, that is small t, is equals to 20, and gate ratio is 2. The pitch circle expressed in module is 5 mm and pitch line speed is 1.2 meters per second. Assume the addendum as standard and equal to 1 module. Therefore, finding these values, we know that is pressure. The involute angle is pi 20 degrees. Involute of teeth of pinion is 20, and gate ratio, that is what is meant by gate ratio is nothing but the number of teeth of wheel to the teeth of the pinion, that is capital T by small t, that is equals to 2 m module V. Addendum is equals to 1 module, that is module is the 5 mm, so addendum is equals to 5 mm. Firstly, the angle turned through by the pinion when one pair of teeth is in contact, that is first of all we need to find a pitch circle radius of pinion, small r is equals to mt by 2. Then at the same time, pitch circle of radius of wheel, capital R is equals to mt by 2. But here they have not given the capital T. We know G is equals to capital T by small t. They have given the small t as 20. By applying these two, we get it the capital T value. By substituting that, we get it the pitch circle radius of the wheel. Then radius of addendum circle of the pinion, that is radius of the pinion, pitch circle radius of the pinion plus addendum. For addendum, it is common for all, 5 plus 5. So we get it here addendum radius for pinion and the wheel also. Then the length of path of approach and resist, totally it is called it as a path of contact. This is a approach formula and this is the resist formula. Everything is of same relation, that is approach is in the related to wheel and resist is related to pinion. The same formula, small ra, capital R R small r, capital R, cos square pi minus r sin pi plus minus r capital R sin pi. That is approach and the resist formula both are same, but we have to maintain which one is the resist and which one is the approach. So finally, by clubbing these two, we get the path of contact. Okay, that is KL is equals to KP plus PL, that is 24.15. Then it is very simple to remember the arc of contact, that is path of contact by cos pi. By simply we get it. Then what is the angle turned by the pinion? That is arc of contact, it is to be of 360 degrees. So arc of contact into 360 degrees by circumference of the pinion. Circumference formula of the pinion is 2 pi r, that is a circular circumference. So pinion is which is of gear is in circular shape. So 2 pi r or pi d, 2 pi r. The radius of the pinion is already we know 50. So length of arc of contact 25.7. So we get it the. Then maximum velocity of the sliding, we know the formula at the initial itself. Omega 1 is the angular speed of pinion, omega 2 angular speed of the wheel. So v omega is the velocity per radius, or simply here